Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, if you've watched any of my what not to do videos from my kids' place or my fix video for those things, I've been dealing with this for every single plug almost that I've pulled out of this or checked in this place. That's why I'm going through and I'm checking every single electrical thing that this guy did before me. And right here, this has happened. This is the third or fourth time I've went to look at something, and every one of these plugs, he did not leave any room inside the wall to actually work on it. I don't know how he physically got these in here unless he put them in and then drywalled over it, which it looks like that's probably what he did with this one because it's so far back that you can't even put a plate on it. So anyhow, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna hopefully fix this problem if you're having the same type of problem, because this one I don't think I'm going to be able to pull any more wire out. So, and this is one of those places where I say if you do anything I do and you burn your place down or you hurt yourself, I'm not responsible. I am not a professional by any means, and you need to check your codes in your area and whether or not these things are okay to do. And I don't know if you can see that, but that is as much as I can get this wiring out of this box right here. So now I'm going to take the appropriate sized wire and I'm going to wire nut these to each one of these, the appropriate color, appropriate size to each one of these. I'm also going to actually barrel nut or barrel crimp, whatever you want to call it, these together with another one of these onto there. And that will give me long enough wire. So I will show you that when I'm done. I'm having trouble figuring out a way to light things and put things on tripod. So this is what we get. There you go. It is not pretty. It is not ideal. But if you have no other choice, kind of like I do, there's only 2 plugs in this room. 3 if you count one that's way up high on the wall that doesn't really work for anything. So really there's 2 plugs in this room, and so she definitely kind of needs this one. So I'm going with this. Keep in mind, yet again, you need to choose for yourself what you want to do and what you feel is safe. Also, I do have this directly, the plug-in before this is ground fault interrupted. I have a ground fault circuit interrupter. It's actually AFCI and GFCI plug that I put in the beginning of this line that's going to this. So all in all, I feel like it's plenty safe, but yet again, I'm not responsible if you do something I do and you burn your place down. Alright, well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, and this guy definitely was a master of none. You all have a good one.